So now that we've created our report folders, we can actually go ahead and run a report. So let's start by running a simple shelving location report, which will let you know what items you actually have listed under your shelving locations that you have set. So for example, what items are actually under adult audio CD or fiction or nonfiction or something like that. And this is very useful for running inventory reports to actually see if what Evergreen says you have on the shelf matches what actually is on the shelf. So first we'll go to reports. And notice these were the report folders we generated in the prior video in number 1. So to run this inventory report, we will go to the shared folders under templates and admin and inventory weeding. And this might change as we're rearranging the shelving or rearranging the report folders, but it shouldn't change too drastically, and we will let you know and redo the videos if anything does change. Okay, so the one we want for our shelf list is this top one, the brief shelf list by circulating library and shelving location. So we'll select that, create a new report. Now that's in red, so we need to fill out a report name for this. And I will just call that test report for right now and give it a description. Okay. These are all the fields that will be displaying in the report when we run it. So we will see all of these as columns. Okay, we need to select the inventory report folder. And since this is based on circulating library, we will choose HRHRCL because that is the one that we are logged into right now in our workstation. And for shelving location, let's see what's on the adult audio CD shelf. And you can also select multiple other items when the action displays in list. Okay, so we want to make sure Excel output is checked and HTML output as well, so that we can just get a quick glance at the information through Evergreen without loading an external spreadsheet application like Excel, and we can just see real quickly in Evergreen if the report ran to our specifications. We can also choose recurring report if we want it to run on a set interval of a day or a week or a month from when we set it. So I could set this, instead of running right now, I could have it run at noon tomorrow, and then set it a week from that day, so that every week starting from tomorrow or June 5th, this report will run again and generate the output that we want. And you want to make sure that you have an email address that can be notified when that report has finished. This is an important step, so make sure that's filled out if you want an email. Okay, but since we're doing this just for a test, I don't want it to be recurring. I just want it to run as soon as possible. And then finally, we'll just choose an output folder. So inventory reports, adult CD, Hood River. Everything looks good. So I will save the report. Oops. Looks like I've already given it that name. So I've run a test report before. So you might see that if you try to do it with the same one. So I will call this a new test report. And then I will save it. Okay. So we can get out of these shared folders. And the folder we want to see the output of our report is underneath the My Folders right there. So there's our report. And if we want to view the output, we've already been sent an email indicating that this report has finished. You will see it in this pending items column if it has not finished yet, if it is an especially large report. But now it's finished. So I will select it, view report output. Alright, and if I wanted to download it to file, I will just click on the Excel output, and I can save that to my desktop or wherever I would like. And if I just want to check real quick to see if it has the information I want before going ahead and downloading, I can click that tabular output. And there's our report. Since we probably want to be able to manipulate it, this isn't the best interface for that, but it will give you a quick glance at the report to see if it's spitting out what you would like. So we can see all those columns, and there we are. Okay, thank you very much, and all right.